What's up? It's your boy the Verse Official, back again with another video, and in this video it's gonna be basically what's in the thumbnail.
Back then, I was talking like they said he got some plans to do this and that, but then y'all want to copy me and do it.
So yeah, it's your boy the Verse Official, back again. It's been a long time, you know what I'm saying, just a lot of stuff going on. Had to shape off all the hair. Fresh new start. My birthday just yesterday, March 20th. I don't even know when this video is even gonna go up, but yeah, it's gonna be on the Quest 2 that I just got for my birthday. Possibly the Switch, play a little bit of that. Xbox, because I was supposed to continue on the last video. I didn't. A lot of stuff came up. Medical, work, off work, life. I never had COVID, but COVID affected everything, so haven't been able to do too much stereo system stuff. I appreciate the love and all the views, the likes, shares, comments, and I've been trying my best to comment back to everybody, but it's been tough. But yeah, if you need to reach me, Instagram, anything like that. But let's get into this video. So yeah, here's the Quest 2 that I have right here. I went ahead and hopped on Amazon, picked these grips up, been looking at a lot of different type of reviews. I really wanted basically some grips that would protect this as well, but a lot of those just seem cheap, and a lot of people saying there was defects and things wrong with it, so I might end up trying a sample pair or another kind. But anyway, long story short, I found these. They had a really good review on them. So they're the Oculus Quest 2, the silicone grips, like I said, and on Amazon is where I purchased them from. See, I still can't even speak. Where I purchased them from. There, I got my speech back right. But I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description below for you guys that are inquiring about these. And I would do a whole unboxing, but you guys can go ahead and YouTube that. So I'll just go ahead and show the before and the after. And there's the after. Basically, long story short, there's not too much to the unboxing. Yeah, you know what it is. Controller, headset, bam. So yeah, another day, next day actually. Basically, if you guys have purchased the Oculus Quest 2 and you guys are doing the referral code, important thing you have to remember, before you even open it up out of the box, do any type of initial setup, make sure that whoever sent you the referral code or the referral link, make sure that you click that link first. If whether it's in your Facebook Messenger, text message, anything like that, make sure that you click that link first. Go ahead and set up your profile, because it'll have you connect to your Facebook. Set up through that, then it will give you the code or link or whatever it is. Then after all that's done, go ahead and set up your Oculus. A lot of people on YouTube have been talking about it. I seen it in the comment section. I was researching, it took me like an hour to find out the actual answer. I wound up opening up my Oculus, set everything up through the Oculus, then went into Facebook Messenger to try to click it. The link that my brother-in-law had sent me, shout out Jeff, Undertaker. Yeah, clicked the link and it wound up saying something about like an error message that it's already been activated. So just make sure that you guys click the link first, the referral link. Then after all that's done, get you the referral link, the code and all that, then set up your Oculus. Headache. I sat on the chat, which they're really good with customer support, feedback and everything, why it has so many updates. I'm hearing from my sister and my brother-in-law, that's why it's so many updates, but they actually listen to the people. So yeah, I'm very appreciative. It made it real easy. They made everything smooth for me. I didn't have a headache. It was just a long time just making sure that I had the right serial number, the username, email and all that whenever I was on the chat or whatever with them. But long story short, I got it taken care of. If you guys need a referral code, I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description below for my referral code. Get myself $30. Get yourself $30 right there. Buy you a game, because you can only probably get one, because most of the games are like $19 to $30. So the good games like 29 bucks. The okay games like between 19, 20 something. And y'all don't even know yet, because I haven't even downloaded any games. I was downloading free stuff and I was getting frustrated because I didn't have the referral code. And them funds, that money is really funny right now. So yeah, go ahead, and if you want to give me a late birthday gift, a little B-Day gift or whatever, go ahead and hit up my Cash App. It's just the Verse Official, with a $ in front, BAVERSEOFFICIAL. Go ahead and support the channel. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna start pushing these videos. I'm back at it. It's been a long time, but I'm finally back. My arm is falling asleep from holding this gimbal, so yeah, let's get into it again. So I went ahead and got the BOBOVR case for it, for the actual Oculus Quest 2, as well as the BOBOVR M2 Pro, just because the original band hurts the mess out of my head, and I know it's hurt a lot of other people's heads, but this is the one that comes with the extra battery. I tried playing the VR by itself and it has pretty good battery life, but if you're playing long sessions, yeah, the battery depletes fairly quickly. Basically, this is what this one looks like. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description below, but I had a lot of good reviews, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to hook this up on here and see how it works out for my head. Also, I got this face shield or whatever it's called that on Amazon. I'll leave that link in the description below as well. On top of that, the lens protector, so when it's inside of this case, it doesn't scratch up the lenses. And I'm waiting for a package to come tomorrow with the actual lenses that go over the actual VR to protect it from getting scratched. And it was something else I ordered, I totally forgot, but I'll go ahead and leave that in the description as well, or I'll show it in this next clip. All right, so here's the size comparison of the original one compared to the aftermarket one that I got off of Amazon. This one's just a little more flimsy. This one's a little more sturdier, just except for this part, but I mean, when you hold it, it's a little thicker. It goes around the back. Seems like to me a lot more than this one, but I could be wrong. No, I could be right because it goes all the way up here.
For the stars,